To begin, select the rectangle tool over here. If you can't see it, hold down whatever you can see. Maybe you can see the ellipse tool or the polygon. You want to hold it down until you have these three options pop up. Next, select the rectangle tool. Next, come over to your resolution over here and scale it down and draw a rectangle around your screen over here and fit this back to normal and hold the selection tool over here. Next, move over to the Essential Graphics tab. If you can't see this, go over to Window and make sure that Essential Graphics is checked. Now, under Essential Graphics, select Shape 1 and come down and select Fill and move down to these Fill options over here and change it from solid to linear and select the color 1 over here and make it black and select the color 2 over here and make it somewhere close to black. I've already done this before, so it's already selecting my colors and hit OK. Next, select this gray option over here and drag it up and select this black color over here and drag it down. The next thing you want to do is to create a color mate. So select this new item option over here and select color mate and hit OK and make sure it's set to black and hit OK. Hit OK once more. Drag this color mate above your graphics over here. Select your color mate and move over to the effects tab and search for the grid effect and apply this grid effect onto your color mate over here. Next, move over to effects control and you can adjust the value for the grid corner and you can change the border to somewhere between 2 to 3. I'm going to set mine to 3. Next, reduce the opacity to somewhere between 3 to 5. I'm going to leave mine at 5. The next thing you can decide to do, which is optional, is to add the crop effect and apply this crop effect onto your color mate over here. In the effects control, change the values for the left, right, top and bottom crops to 2% and increase the edge feathers. And that's it guys on how to create this faded grid black background in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you guys in my next tutorial tomorrow.